The Kenco Slab Crab is a specialized attachment for concrete and pavement removal. Over the years, we have collected testimonials and success stories that show time and time again the slab crab expedites production and saves money. We would like to share some of the tips and tricks we've learned. Whether you're already a slab crab owner or a future customer, we hope you'll find this information useful. Kenco is by no means stating this information is relevant to every bridge or roadway job. Concrete integrity can vary greatly depending on age, location, weather, as do many other factors. It is the responsibility of each contractor to research and formulate their own strategies and practices. Pre-cut slabs in manageable sections down the center of the beams. This allows you to cut the entire bridge deck, then work on the decking safely while removing the slabs. When pre-cutting the slabs, leave a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of slab left to ensure not hitting the beams. The slab crab will easily break the remaining bond. Instead of repositioning the excavator on an angled pick, use the slab crab corner to pop the slab loose. Tilt back and ease it into the machine's track to straighten. Make sure the slab is secure enough to lift prior to removing. By straightening the slab, this allows the operator to easily place in a dump truck or square it on a flatbed. This process is a huge time saver versus squaring the machine to each slab before picking. If you're not able to cut the bridge edges due to curbing or saw reach, the slab crab can typically break these pieces loose and hold them until the rebar can be cut with a torch. There are a few loading techniques that are proven time savers. First, the slab crab is designed to lay the slab down gently in tight spaces. Simply tip the bucket down until the slab touches the desired surface and slowly move the bucket backwards while controlling the slab's release. It's very easy to do without damaging any equipment. When loading a slab into a dump truck, lay the slab just past the balance point to give yourself enough room to remove the bucket. Once the bucket is clear, take the back of the slab crab to push the slab into the dump bed. In certain cases, the slabs can be stacked on each other with an offset similar to steps. The slab crab can then be used to pick up the bottom slab to load multiple slabs at once. Although the slab crab can lay slabs onto a flatbed trailer with ease, some large jobs need to speed up the process even more. You can take timbers of the desired thickness and strap them strategically to your flatbed trailer. Depending on the slab size and weight, you can set the slab onto these timbers and slide the bucket out instantly. If you have the capacity and the spacing is done correctly, a second row can be placed by splitting the distance. This allows the same clearance as the timbers used on the first row. If needed, any remaining dust or debris can be pressure washed or blown off the slabs before strapping and transporting. One helpful tip is to tilt the slab crab bucket so the slab is vertical. This will allow most debris to fall off. Once the truck reaches its destination, a wheel loader equipped with forks can easily access the underside of each slab to unload them. Bridge beams with Nelson studs can be difficult. Ideally, there is enough room to cut down each outer side of these studs to leave enough concrete on the beam edges to support the machine's weight. If not, the cross cuts can be pre-cut and the beam cuts can be made after the machine is passed. You'll want the excavator close enough to reach and, if necessary, support the concrete with the slab crab. If applicable, any leftover thin pieces of concrete between the studs can be bumped off with the bucket tooth or a similar tool. When removing concrete slabs on roads or runways, cut down to within 1/4 to 1/2 inch of the subbase, get the teeth started under the slab and pop it loose. Once the slab is loose, keep the end slightly elevated to prevent the bucket from contacting the subbase. With a little care, this will prevent the need to repair or replace the subbase, which saves a lot of time and money. Although not as common, the slab crab is an efficient tool for removing asphalt. One contractor 10 or 12 years ago in the Northeast ran a cost comparison with and without the slab crab. With their particular methods, it was costing them an estimated $50+ per yard to remove, and it dropped to approximately $13 when using the slab crab. With a flat bottom and open sides, the slab crab can accommodate about any size piece of asphalt possible. Once the bucket is tipped back, it locks the piece in place for a safe load cycle. Also, as stated earlier, the flat bottom affords an operator the ability to pull material without damaging the subbase. Depending on the machine configuration, the slab crab can be reversed into a shovel position. In certain situations, this gives the operator a better view needed to get the job done. For more information or to share your own tips on using the Kenco Slab Crab, contact our sales team.